When I picture life on the west coast of Canada, I picture three things: ocean, mountains, forest. You have all three here, perfectly combined to create one of Saanich's most prized residential building lots. Nestled at the end of a quiet dead-end street among mature cedar and fir trees, this 1-acre parcel offers captivating views across the Haro Strait to San Juan Island and Mount Baker. Your lifestyle is also enhanced by the welcoming Cordova Bay community with highly rated public schools, fantastic shops and amenities down the road, like right here at Maddox Farm, as well as excellent outdoor recreation at Cordova Bay Golf Course. Bring your vision and craft your legacy property right here at 4767 Timber Place.